Captain Stardust's Rainbow Rescue. High above, where stars twinkled like scattered glitter, spun the most magnificent planet, Chromos. Its rings shimmered with every color imaginable, a vibrant ribbon in the cosmic night. And soaring through them, in her trusty rainbow-streaked spaceship, was Captain Stardust, the bravest space fox pilot in the galaxy. One morning, a hush fell over Chromos. The vibrant rings began to fade, their brilliant hues dimming to a dull gray. The precious rainbow essence, the very heart of Chromos's colors, had been stolen. Without it, the planet would soon be completely dark. "This is a job for Captain Stardust," declared the planet's worried inhabitants. With a determined glint in her eyes, Captain Stardust revved her engines. "I'll find the rainbow essence and bring back Chromos's sparkle," she promised, zooming off into the vastness. She followed faint trails of fading color, past nebula that looked like giant cotton candy, and through asteroid fields that sparkled like forgotten jewels. The trail led her to a quiet, shadowy corner of Chromos, a place no one ever visited. There, huddled in the deepest shadows, was a small, shadowy creature. He was made of wisps of darkness, with two large, sad eyes, and beside him, glowing faintly, was the stolen rainbow essence. "You took the rainbow essence," Captain Stardust exclaimed, landing her ship gently. The shadow creature flinched, pulling the essence closer. I didn't mean any harm," he whispered, his voice soft and shaky. I get so lonely here." He explained how he watched the other creatures of Chromos play in the colorful rings, but he was always too shy, always too shadowy to join in. He thought if he had the colors, he wouldn't be so lonely anymore. Captain Stardust's heart softened. "Oh, Shade," she said gently. "You don't need to steal colors to have friends. True friends will see the wonderful light inside you, even if you feel shadowy." She offered him her paw. "I'll be your friend, Shade, and we can share the rainbow essence with everyone, so all of Chromos can sparkle again." Shade looked up, a tiny spark of hope flickering in his eyes. He carefully placed the essence between them. Together, they returned the rainbow essence to its rightful place. The rings of Chromos burst back into brilliant color, brighter than ever before. And from that day on, Captain Stardust and Shade were the best of friends, proving that the brightest colors of all are found in a kind heart and true companionship.